Yes, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences, expression of someone. Yes, Herman, exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? Can you explain? Okay, at the end, when we put exclamatory sign. Okay, just a second. Correct? No? It depends, right? Otherwise, the exclamatory sentences, Anvay. What are exclamatory sentences? Yes, they are sentences that show strong emotions, right? Sudden feelings, emotions, okay? And usually, when we write exclamatory sentences, we use what? Part of speech, you can say. Interjections, okay? We use interjections to express our emotions and feelings, right? Any kind of interjection that you can. Wow, bravo, yippee, alas, hooray, right? These are used to express the emotions. So exclamatory sentences are the sentences that express our sudden feelings, emotions. Now, while changing exclamatory sentences, we are going back to the rules that we have followed while changing declarative or assertive sentences. Okay, for interrogative sentences, the rules for changing not tenses, but when we have to connect two sentences, we were using different conjunctions. For imperative sentences, we were using two interrogative WH word or if or whether, right? What about declarative sentence? How we join two sentences? Join the first part and the part that is written in the quotation marks. That, okay? So here in exclamatory sentences also we are going to use, first rule is that we are going to use that as the connector or conjunction. That as connector, first rule, that is used as conjunction or connector. Then for reported verb, in place of said to, we can use exclaimed with. Now it depends. Exclaimed with joy, sorrow, any other expression, any other feeling, anger. Then it depends on the sentence. Now, Pulkit, yes, exclaimed with joy, sorrow, happiness. Any other? Any other? Surprise, shock, regret. These can be used. Pachtawa. These are used, correct? Otherwise, for interrogative sentences, we were using asked, or we can ask inquired, right? Wanted to know. For imperative sentences, requested, suggested, ordered. Here, exclamatory sentences, we are going to use these. Correct? Done. Then next rule is, this is the first rule, use of that as a connector or conjunction, you can say. Use of that as a conjunction. Second is, in place of change reported verb. And then third rule is that we change the exclamatory sentence to declarative. Okay, exclamatory to declarative. Change of sentence from exclamatory to assertive or declarative. It means if the sentence is what a wonderful day it is, so this will change. It was a wonderful day. Okay. Last, okay, fourth rule is remove all the interjections. Remove the interjections. In place of interjections, we are going to show our feelings here through our reported verb. So no need to use interjections again in indirect speech. Got it? Remove interjections. If used, then remove interjections. Remove interjections. Other rules are similar, means when you need to change the tense, simple to simple past, continuous to past continuous. Other rules means the changes in the pronoun or the tenses that are same as we are already following for declarative, imperative, and interrogative sentences. Done. These are the rules that you need to follow while changing any sentence that is in exclamatory form. Done. Example. Write down the example. And Pulkit is going to give the answer. Pulkit, answer. हाँ इधर ही चेंज करना है. Now it is only said ना, so again you have to change with these. ठीक है? ठीक है? One more chance. Angel. That they had won the match. The boy exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Simple. End with full stop. Remove exclamatory mark also, exclamation mark. Remove exclamation mark also. Write down this also. Remove exclamation mark. Now I'm going to write few sentences that you need to answer, and you have to do those sentences in your fair notebook also. Ready? Sure? Prabal, you want to say something? You want to ask something? Sure? Just a second, we haven't discussed this part. Wait. This one type. When the question were or when the sentence begins with WH or how. Okay. That time what you need to do is you need to change this sentence, this exclamatory sentence into declarative. How to do that? It was a beautiful sight. Okay. Consider this whenever no verb is given, consider it in simple present and then change it into simple past. So the child exclaimed with surprise, okay, that it was a beautiful sight. Done? Exclaimed with delight. वैसे यहाँ पे surprise आ सकता है. हाँ. No regret तो पछताना हो गया. She is sad. What? Third sentence में? Why? There is surprise, or you can say disbelief. ठीक है? What happened? We'll discuss. Hurry up, then I'm going to give you mixed exercise, including declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. I think they are very simple. कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें तो. Done. Those who are online. Gundeep, Karan, Manas. Hurry up. Done, Dharya? Done, Hardik? Let's start with Gurkaran. Uh-huh. Okay, the lady exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her purse. Correct? When this interjection is used, usually we use sorrow. Okay? The lady exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her purse. Gurnoor. The child exclaimed with joy, with surprise, with disbelief, okay, that it was a beautiful sight. That aega. That expresses again your emotion. Okay, so we'll remove it. Okay. Then next is Ria said how beautiful the girl is. 1 second, Mankirat. Ria exclaimed with surprise that she was the beautiful girl, or she was a beautiful girl. Correct? Next, hooray, cried the boy, I have won the prize. शिवम, अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? बनता तो है बोलना, है ना? Look here, see this board. फिर भी सबसे पीछे जाके बैठता है। किसके साथ बिठा दो? और इसकी मम्मी कहती है ये बच्चा बड़ा शरीफ है मेरा, आगे से बोलता ही नहीं है। Thank God everything is recorded now. The boy with joy that he had won the prize. That he had won the prize. Last, the teacher said to him, "What a nice fellow you are." Anmol. The teacher exclaimed with regret. Why to regret? Why anger? What a nice fellow you are. You are good. This means you are good. Nothing to be angry about. Exclaimed with happiness, ठीक है, satisfaction, okay, delight. अगर बच्चे तुम्हारे जैसे होंगे तो डेफिनेटली शॉक आ सकता है, बट राइट नाउ वी विल नॉट गो विद शॉक, ओके. द टीचर एक्सक्लेम्ड विद हैप्पीनेस, satisfaction, delight, then that he was a nice fellow. Okay, that he was a nice fellow. Now I'm going to give you one exercise, mixed exercise. Write it down. हाँ. This is mixed, okay? No talking. Uttara. Radha, you want to say something? Please come here. कौन सा भैया? Done? Yes? Done? Fair notebook. Yes. Whatever we have discussed today, the exercises, the rules, everything is to be done. Clear? Fair notebook. Hurry up. 1 minute. What? टीचर के साथ लगा Gurkaran, you are coming with me. Yes, decided. After this period, after this period, 6th class, then staff room, again 6th class, and just to pick up your bag, you will come here. Okay? Just solve this exercise. Yes, tomorrow we'll discuss. We'll start with this. Okay? And then the next chapter or the writing skill. Okay.